I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your account on KuCoin, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Create your account. Before changing your settings, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Email verification. After signing up, check your email for a verification link from KuCoin. Click on the link to verify your email address. Step 3. Log in and access verification. Once your email is verified, log into your KuCoin account. Navigate to the account security section in your profile settings. Step 4. Complete KYC verification. In the account security section, find the KYC Know Your Customer verification option. Fill out the required personal information and upload a valid ID. Step 5. Wait for approval. After submitting your KYC information, wait for KuCoin to review your application. You will receive an email notification once your account is verified. Remember, if your ID is blurry or unclear, it may delay the verification process. Just make sure to upload a clear image. Good luck with your account verification, and enjoy trading on KuCoin.